Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. I'm Ritesh Kumar Sharma and I'm here to deliver a speech on a topic. And for this topic, I would like to thank to my teacher and all of you guys for giving me a chance to speak in this topic. So the topic is police or the common man. Who is more important to maintain the law and order? So firstly, according to me, police, both of them are important to maintain the law and order, but when you do comparison both of them, then I will say to you that policeman is very important to maintain the law and order. So firstly we should know some points before understanding all these things. So firstly, my first point is what is law and order. Second point is what is police. Third is what is the work is done by police. And the next point is why we need police. And the last point is what is the difference between the police and the common man. So let's start with the first point. What is the law and order? So as you know that there are lots of countries in on the earth, and which have a lots of populations. And in population there are some good persons and some bad persons. So it is very difficult for countries to maintain people's behavior and to maintain peace in country. That's why every country has made some rules and regulations for maintain the peace in countries. So basically, law and order has been made for maintenance of peace in countries. So let's talk about the another points. What is police? So as you know that the member of our civilized society have to obey some rules and regulations, but there are some wicked person in our society who breaks the rules and regulations, who do crimes. For such peoples must be punished. I mean that such peoples must be brought to book. That's why a body is created by every country, every by its constitution to prevent the crime, to prevent the breaking the rules persons. So that's why a body is created by countries, and that body is called police force. Police force. So now let's talk about the work. What is the work is done by police force? The work is done by police force is to maintain the law and regulations in a state and country, and catch the victim who breaks the rules and regulations and who do crimes. That's why there is a police force in every country, every state, every district, to prevent the crime and to prevent wicked persons from doing wrong. That's why. And and as you know that in nowadays police force divided a lots of parts. You can see the is officer and ips officer who save the state and countries. And also I have a story in my village, and I want to share with you that the story, it is my village story. And it is about 2011 and 2012. There was lots of terrorist activities happening in my village. And that time one ips officer is very famous, whose name is manu maharaj. You have heard about the name. So that time he came in my village, and he do operations in my village with the help of police force. And he has killed a lots of terrorists with the help of police force. Nowadays my village has cleared all the terrorist activities. In the operations, there are lots of police officers has been killed by the terrorist. So that's why I'm saying that police is very important to maintain the law and regulations. Now let's talk about the common man. Who is a common man, and in which way common man helps to maintain the law and regulations? So see, common man is a man who live in society, who do their usual work for running the house, but which have no rights and a power to do illegal things. And as you know that there are two types of common persons. Some are good, some are bad. So good people think about our country and our state, and they follow the some rules to maintain the law and order. But some bad person do not follow the rules and regulations, and the bad person do crime always. You can hear the news of Jammu Kashmir when the 370 articles and 35A has been removed by the government. That time there was lots of riots happening there, and in that Jammu Kashmir peoples was a common man, and who was destroying the monuments, roads, schools, which has built by the government for them. But so we cannot expect from the common man to maintain the law and order. And I want to give one more example: traffic police. Traffic police is a very hard worker man who stand on a road to maintain the law and order. If anyone breaks the rules, but if you are a common man and you want to maintain the law and order, then they have to wear a helmet, and they do not cross the road if the red light is on. But common persons do not do like this. That's why I'm saying that common person cannot be trustful persons. And you can hear some news. There are some cases like dacoity, uh, rape, terrorist activities, and abduction in everyday happening in India, which is done by a common person. So we cannot believe that a common person common person can maintain the law and order. So definitely, that's why I am saying that police is more important to maintain the law. And now my last point is, what is the difference between the common person and a police? So according to me, there are lots of differences between the common person and a police. As you know that police is created by the government, so that's why government has given a lots of power to the police for maintenance, to the peace, and to maintain from doing wrong. And sorry, government has given a lots of facilities to the police officer, like bullet, and gun, and bulletproof jacket, this type of items. But common person has not been given this type of rights and power and facilities by the government. And just suppose that I will explain with the examples. Just suppose that when a person kills someone, and then common man cannot punish him because he has no any rights to punish anyone. But a policeman can punish him because he has a right, and kill him because he has a right. That's why I'm saying that policeman is very important role to maintain the law and orders. Thank you. I want to finish my speech here, and thank you for listening very carefully. So thank you.